Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1 and 6 divided 6 is equal to also 1. Now 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So according to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponent, third priority is multiplication and division, and fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Here is a division, here is division, and here is division. So all have equal priority, therefore we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So is equal to, first we have to solve this part, okay? So 4 divided 4 is equal to 1. Divided by 6, divided by 6. Now 1 divided 6 can be written as 1 by 6 divided by 6, okay? Now according to KCF rule, K means skip, C means change, F means flip. Therefore keeps 1 by 6 as it is same. Now C means change this sign from division to multiplication. Now F means flip this 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Here is a nothing in division, therefore we can write as 1, okay? Is equal to 1 by 36 is the correct answer, 1 by 36, okay? If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.